Hey, buddy!
Hey, Anton.
Long time no see. Listen, it's been a weird year and stuff. How you been?
So good.
I've been so good. I ended up applying for that Canadian emergency benefit thing, and then I ended up also applying for the American emergency benefit thing at the end, because, hey, if they give it, why not take it? Am I right or am I right? I'm pretty sure that's not how it works, especially when you have a full-time job. But listen, I'm happy you're doing well. Why aren't you wearing a shirt though? Oh, yeah. So I started this thing. It's called financial minimalism. It's where you don't spend any money on unnecessary things. YOLO on budget. And is that also why you're not wearing pants? And only one shoe? Honestly, I just don't want them. I don't want them. I don't need them. I'm not gonna spend a single penny on them. Dude, put your head in the right place. Or at least put on a shirt. Man, I can't look at this. Oh. Can I keep it? Yeah, it's all yours. You want to grab a coffee or something? Yeah, of course. Can I borrow $5 though? Yeah, of course. Can I expect this money back? I'm gonna lie and say yes. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Actually, I don't think I want to go anymore. I mean, we can chill here. The weather's getting pretty ugly, but the money. Hey, you have a car, right? Yup. Can you be a good friend and give me a ride tomorrow? Going where? Well, firstly, we're gonna go to a dollar store and buy some stuff. Then I'm gonna list it on Facebook Marketplace, and then you're gonna drive me to the people who rebought the stuff. Win-win, or as Gary Vee says it, hustle, hustle, all on my car? No, dude, considering you have your own car. Anton, listen, it's gonna be like a bonding process. You and me going on adventure. Listen, how's work? How's the business? Good, so good. I finally got myself an office. You actually want to see? Come, I'll show you. Let me just light up a candle. I actually don't like to turn on the lights and waste electricity when I walk across the house. Come on, I'll show you. So yeah, what do you think? You like it? It's a bathroom. Yeah, I know, but the convenience. I work from here, and then if I have to go number 1 or number 2, it's like a step away. And what are these? Well, I've decided to join millions in saving the planet, and I started to reuse my toilet paper. Dude, you're way too cheap. What? I'm not cheap. I'm being frugal. No, it's not frugal. It's called being stupid. And I'm out. Okay, so here's the thing. Whether you consider yourself frugal, cheap, thrifty, or stingy, the good thing at the end is you're starting to consider your finances. But not all of these terms mean the same thing, and in fact, some of them can be and should be used as an insult. Let me explain. For example, if you take the word frugal, which typically means a good thing, so it's a good way to describe someone. If you fall under this category, good for you, because what it means is someone who's looking for a good deal on something that has or can bring them a value. On the other hand, if you take the word cheap, which typically used as an insult or a way to put somebody down, and what being cheap really means is someone who is always looking for the lowest cost item, even if they don't need it, and will possibly bargain till their nose bleeds. Now, if we look at the word thrifty, which interesting enough, all thrifty people are actually frugal, but not all frugal people are thrifty. And what it means is someone who's always trying to fix what they have before buying the new one, and typically considered to be someone who is really hands-on. For example, like building your own nightstand or knitting your own sweater. Now, definitely last one, and for sure the least likely you want to be called this one, is the word stingy, which means someone who is unwilling to spend or share money at any costs. And if you're someone who is extreme hoarder, well, unfortunately you fall under this category. Now let's make a comparison to see which category you fall under. Now, if you want to buy a shirt and you go to the shopping mall, if you are a frugal person, first you're gonna figure out what type of shirt you want to buy, and then you're gonna shop around for the best deal. And if you're cheap, you will buy any shirt at a discount, and maybe even several if it's a 50% off discount. Now, if you're thrifty, you will try to repurpose or reuse the shirt you already have from before trying to get a new one. And last and not least, if you are stingy, that's like being cheap on steroids. Hoarding is the key, so you might not even leave the house at any costs at all, ever. Now, you can see if you fall anywhere under frugal or thrifty, good for you. But if you figured out that maybe potentially you're somewhere in the area of cheap or stingy, you might wanna work on it. And don't forget to let me know in the comments which one you actually fall under. If this video brought you any knowledge, entertainment, or value, make sure to smash the like button. And of course, subscribe for more videos like this in the future. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.